how to make ventilation control even more comfortable. Blauberg Home is a new mobile application for controlling all Blauberg Ventilatoren products. Thanks to our experience, we understand that ease of use is no less important than energy efficiency or product appearance. With this knowledge, we are constantly improving our product control systems.
Okay Google, turn on ventilation in the living room.
Got it. Turning comfort on.
Regardless of which Blauberg product you have installed. With the Blauberg Home app, you can always be sure of the air you breathe.
Okay Google, what is the current humidity in children's room?
Vento is set to 40% and the current humidity reading is 39%.
Okay Google, what is the current temperature in bathroom?
O2 is currently 22.5 degrees.
Okay Google, set FreshBox to maximum speed.
Alright, setting FreshBox speed to 5th.
No matter where you are, from the office where you work to your living room, the collaboration of the Blauberg Cloud service and Google services takes the control of ventilation equipment to a new level. Blauberg Home. Download now via Google Play or App Store.